Zipporah was much more than just Moses' wife. Because of Zipporah's intervention, a whole nation was affected and that whole nation's destiny was changed. She was a fearless woman of courage who played a huge role in the transformation of an entire nation. When Moses failed God in his leadership through disobedience, and God got so angry at Moses that he wanted to kill him as punishment, Zipporah took over the leadership role on herself and stepped in where Moses fell short. And with an act of courage, she skillfully circumcised her son, and through his shed blood, a new blood covenant was made, which saved Moses and opened up the pathway of victory for a whole nation. Zipporah had a very deep understanding of God's divine purpose through blood and through covenant. She understood that this act of circumcision was not just a religious ritual, but a powerful prophetic act of covenant, which played a very important role in the liberation and redemption of an entire nation. Exodus 4 verse 25 and 26, Zipporah said to Moses, "Surely you are a husband of blood to me. You are a husband of blood because of the circumcision." Zipporah was a true Irenaeus. Moses would have been dead and the whole nation would have been very badly affected if it wasn't for her outstanding courage, great wisdom, and quick obedience to God's word.